Hello students, please like and subscribe my channel. God bless you, all the best. Here we are discussing concept of equivalent weight, equivalence and charge, Faraday in Coulomb, etc. Find equivalent weight of aluminium ion. So aluminium ion is Al3 positive plus 3 electron, and means after accepting 3 electron, aluminium ion will deposit it as aluminium. So equivalent weight, n factor will be 3. How many electrons are lost and gained, that is telling us about the n factor. So equivalent weight is equal to atomic weight divided by n factor. So atomic weight of aluminium is 27. N factor, how many electron it gained? 3. So n factor will be 3. So 9 will be the equivalent weight of the 9 gram is the equivalent weight of aluminium. Clear? Now how much charge deposited 9 gram? See how intelligently twisting of question. How much charge is deposited 9 gram aluminium Al3 positive? So 1 Faraday, because 1 Faraday is the amount of charge which deposit 1 gram equivalent of the substance. Okay, so gram equivalent weight is 9 gram. So it will be 1 equivalent. Okay, 1 gram equivalent will say. So how much charge deposited 9 gram of aluminium? 1 Faraday. Why? Next question, how much charge required to deposit 1 mole of aluminium ion, Al3 positive ion, to deposit 1 mole of aluminium? So 1 mole of aluminium from 1 mole of Al3 positive deposited by 3 Faraday, because 3 mole of electron, charge required is 3 Faraday. For 3 mole, all these are in mole terms. 1 mole of aluminium ion, 1 mole of aluminium atom. Here 3 mole of electrons, charge required is 3 Faraday. Okay, so for deposition of 1 mole of aluminium, 3 mole of electrons, that is 3 Faraday charge. I told you 1 mole of electron required 1 Faraday. So 3 mole of electrons required 3 Faraday charge. So 3 Faraday charge can deposit 1 mole of aluminium. That is 1 mole of aluminium molar mass. This atomic mass is 27. Yes, this is true. Clear to you? See here, 3 mole of electron, that is 3 Faraday charge deposit 27 gram. So 1 Faraday, as we have done earlier, 1 Faraday deposit 9 gram. Okay, so 27 by 3, that is equal to 9 grams it will deposit. Now calculate the number of coulombs required to deposit 6.75 gram of aluminium. Just write on this statement, 1 mole of aluminium deposited 3 Faraday. So 6.75 gram, and solve it, you will get the answer. Clear to you? Only statement is required. 27 gram of aluminium required 3 Faraday,